In this video, we are going to learn how to solve typical equations which are not easy to solve using the conventional techniques. So let's look at our equations like this. 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x equals 4 to the power x. Now how do I solve this? Because I have x in the power, so I cannot go on using trial error for x. That will never give me the solution. So there has to be a technique. Now what is the technique? The technique is, first of all, divide both sides by the smallest number. Divide both sides by the smallest number. That means you are dividing 9 to the power x by 4 to the power x minus 6 to the power x by 4 to the power x equals 4 to the power x by 4 to the power x, which is 1. So therefore you write 9 by 4 to whole to the power x minus 6 by 4 whole to the power x is 1. So therefore you can write 3 by 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x. This is just using the law of indices. Minus 6 by 4 becomes 3 by 2 to the power x equals 1. So that means you get 3 by 2 to the power 2x minus 3 by 2 to the power x equals 1. So therefore, what you get is a quadratic in 3 by 2 to the power x. Now if I substitute, if I put 3 by 2 to the power x as something, let's say a, then I get a square minus a equals 1, which means a square minus a minus 1 equals 0. So therefore the value of a becomes, you apply the quadratic formula, you get 1 plus minus root over of minus 1 square, which is 1, plus 4, because minus 4 into minus 1 becomes plus 4, by 2. So therefore this becomes 1 plus minus root over 5 by 2. So now this is the value of a. Now what is a? A is 3 by 2 to the power x. Now 3 by 2 to the power x is always greater than 0. So it cannot be negative. So therefore 3 by 2 to the power x will be the positive value, which is root 5 plus 1 by 2. So now you take log on both sides, you get x log of 1.5 equals log of root 5 plus 1 by 2. Therefore x is log of root 5 plus 1 by 2 by log of 1.5. So this would be the value of x.